Hello everyone, my name is Utku Kaynar and I am a mechanical engineering student in Bilkent University. Today I am going to represent my Physics 102 laboratory project, which name is the capacitance in changing distances and dielectric constants. So let's begin. The objective of this experiment is to demonstrate the effect of the distance on a capacitor capacitance as well as to measure capacitance and the change as a result of the installation of substances with a various dielectric constant between the capacitor plates. In order to conduct this experiment, we need a multimeter, cable stats, capacitor with a rail system, a wooden plate with 8 mm thickness, a plastic plate with 8 mm thickness, a cardboard plate with 8 mm thickness, a ruler, and a scientific calculator. By using these equipments, we need to build an experimental setup firstly. First of all, we connected the two ends of the capacitor with the multimeter by using crocodile head cable sets. Then we set the multimeter to capacitance measuring mode in terms of nanofarads. Of this experiment, we adjusted the distance between the capacitors placed to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 mm respectively with the help of a ruler. Then we measured the capacitance values 5 times for each space and collected this data in table A.1. While we accept this 5 data to be equal under ideal conditions, we observed that these values change due to external factors and human errors. Therefore, to reduce the margin of error, we took the arithmetic average of these 5 values we found for each distance and recorded this data in table A.2. Then we plotted plot 1 in the light of this data and saw the theoretical expectations matched the experimental results. Meanwhile, to find the value of the plate area required for the last part of the experiment, we measured the radius of the plate with the help of a ruler. Finally, we calculated the expected theoretical capacitance values of the capacitor at these distances and used the data to find error percentages of our measurements. In the part B of this experiment, we kept the distance between the capacitor plates constant at 8 mm and placed the 8 mm thickness of wooden plate, plastic plate, and the cardboard plates between them respectively. Afterward, we measured the capacitance values 5 times to reduce the margin of error. This time, we calculated the dielectric constants of these materials using the area we calculated in part A and the capacitance values of the 8 mm open hollow capacitor. We observed that the values changed for different materials as we accepted. In conclusion, in this experiment, we observed that the change in capacitance is inversely proportional to distances between the plates. Additionally, we have observed that the different material types are also affecting the capacitance as well, since they have different dielectric constants. As a result, we have provided the theoretical results with the low error percentages in real life. So, thank you for listening to me.